So, I'm finally back in Kuwait, and since maaga akong nakauwi today, I'm thinking to share the most frequently asked questions when I was on a short vacation. Na-realize ko na marami pala akong pwedeng i-share dito sa video, especially sa mga gusto mag-abroad or gusto pumunta dito sa Kuwait. So, one of the most frequently asked question is, paano daw ako nakapunta dito sa Kuwait and bakit Kuwait? Well, actually, when I applied here, hindi talaga ako nag-apply intentionally na ito yung country na pupuntahan ko, but I was decided to really go out of the Philippines. Gusto ko mag-work overseas as part of the experience, and nakikita ko na din kasi yung sarili ko na I'm not going to grow in Philippines in terms of career, in terms of experience, and I also wanted to expand. So maybe it was destiny, or I was destined to be here, kasi when I applied in Kuwait, I was just invited by my friend. Inimbitahan ako ng kaibigan ko na mag-apply, and then sinama niya lang ako, and then at the end of the day, I was the one na na-hire. Alam mo yun. Tapos yung friend ko, unfortunately, hindi siya na-hire, pero mas may maganda namang opportunity dumating sa kanya. Hindi naman siya din na naiwan sa ere in terms. So, I was hired directly from the Philippines in the year 2017 during summer. And it was one of the renowned hospitality industry. It's an international hotel. So, yun yung time na I was blessed. Nagkaroon ako ng opportunity na makalabas ng Philippines. And paano ba ako napunta sa ganong stage? Because wala talaga sa isip ko na mag-abroad, and I really did not even dream na mag-abroad or mag-work outside the Philippines. Wala akong concept na ganon. But, ayun, natutunan ko siya in a sense that I surrounded myself with people, lalo na sa hotel. May mga nakasama ko na nakapag-abroad na, tapos umuwi ng Pilipinas, nagtrabaho ulit, pero mag-abroad ulit. Nagpahinga lang sa Philippines. So, na-meet ko sila sa hotel, and then doon ako nagkaroon ng concept kung paano ba mag-apply sa abroad, paano yung ways, ano yung mga documents na kakailanganin. Pero, unintentionally, nalaman ko na lang because they were telling me about it. I did not even have the curiosity, or paano ka nag-apply, paano ganyan. Wala akong ganon. They just told me their experience. So, doon ako nagkaroon ng idea, doon na din ako na-start na ma-curious. So, yun, doon ko talaga na-realize and natutunan, and this is one of the greatest lessons in my life, that we really need to choose our friends. We really need to choose the people that we surround ourselves with, and we have the power to choose the people that we surround ourselves with, because they can greatly affect our future. They can affect the trajectory of our lives. Kung ano man yung status natin ngayon, they will greatly affect us, whether we like it or not. I hope that you will also choose the people that you surround yourselves with. People who dream, people who have goals, people who wanted to experience life. We as a human being, we are meant to progress. We are not meant to regress in life.